Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. You know those blue ticks that show someone has read your message? If you want more privacy and don't want people to know when you've read their chats, this is how to turn it off. So first, open your WhatsApp app. If you're using Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. If you're using iPhone, just go straight to the Settings tab at the bottom right. Next, tap on Privacy. Once you're inside the privacy settings, scroll down a bit and you'll see the option called Read Receipts. All you need to do is tap the toggle to turn it off. Once it turns gray, that means it's disabled. From now on, people won't see blue ticks when you read their messages. But just keep in mind, you also won't be able to see when they've read yours. It works both ways. And that's it. You've just learned how to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.